guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So recently I got my hands on Maybelline New York Master Chrome Highlighter. The shade that I got is Molten Gold, and since I have been using it from around a month now, so I thought let's review it for you guys. And this video is not at all sponsored by Maybelline New York. I am sharing my own thoughts and experiences, so this is 100% honest review. You can completely rely on me. So without further ado, let's get started. So this highlighter is for 630 rupees, but I got lucky as I got this for just around 350 to 400 rupees from nykaa sale. Extremely affordable. Now if we talk about the packaging of this Master Chrome highlighter, this is really good. It is in round compact shape with a clear lid, but I can also say the thing that made me surprised is that the lid was extremely strong too. Earlier मेरे पास जो highlighter था that too had a clear lid, लेकिन अभी वो कुछ ऐसा है, वो तुरंत ही टूट गया था. The lid is very thick and strong, I must say. You can easily carry it in your makeup bag even if you are traveling for hours and hours. And the highlighter is very light in weight, and at the same time, the other thing that I found really cool is the geometric shapes carved on this highlighter. That was extremely cool. Now this highlighter is present in two different shades, Molten Gold and Molten Rose Gold. Molten Gold is slightly warmer toned and just perfect for Indian skin tone to get that tanned effect, whereas the Molten Rose Gold shade is on a little cooler side. The one that I have is Molten Gold shade, which is just perfect for creating that tanned effect as it adds that amount of illuminating and radiating effect onto the higher points. The formula of this highlighter is really creamy and smooth, butter-like, and it is extremely pigmented. So you have to go light-handed while using it. Now, if you have textured face, then also you need not to worry, as this highlighter never emphasizes on the textures and pores and appears really soft since it has a creamy texture. So it blends like magic and creates a very natural effect. And Master Chrome highlighter is just perfect for any skin type and any Indian skin tone. Like I have oily skin, but it perfectly suits me. The formula is so damn pigmented without any shimmery and chunky glitters that you can use your fingers for its application and blending. And the one fact that made me go gaga over this highlighter is that it has a very long lasting formula. It lasts for around 8 to 10 hours, which is amazing and gives a very natural effect since summer has already arrived. So this would be the perfect highlighter options for summer. So this highlighter is non-patchy, non-powdery, gives that fresh and naturally tanned look and adds that amount of sheen that you desire, that reflecting chrome-like effect. So this is a big 10 on 10 on my side, and मेरे तरफ से एक बहुत बड़ी वाली हाँ है, lame AF, but this is worth a buy. So if you want to give this a shot, do check into my description. I'll mention some links out there. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. And this was a quick review sort of to solve in your highlighter dilemma. And if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please comment down your views, your opinions, and please subscribe to this channel. I pyar you guys. Bye bye.